Hello, hello, welcome back. Today I will show you the last proverb for this week. It's gonna be exchanging rook pawn has 3 benefits. We talked this week that exchanging your bishops and activating your rook against swinging rook is very good for static rook. And similarly in double static rook, if you exchange your rook pawn, you will have 3 benefits. So let's see exactly what kind of benefits those are with our book line that we've seen in the first videos. Here, if we exchange this pawn and go back, enemy, let's say, does the same. So we should have 3 benefits here. So benefit number 1 is, of course, we have a pawn in hand, yeah? That pawn was here, technically just being there, doing nothing, but now we have option to sacrifice a pawn somewhere else and then have additional pawn use in the attack or defense. So that's benefit number 1. Number 2, there is no pawn here, which means our rook is directly looking at the enemy camp, which means that this gold is now binded to the defending of this pawn. It could become useful in the future. And the last thing, similar fact that there is no pawn here, we will be able to put a piece there, like this. So this strategy would be called climbing silver. The idea would be to break through this line. So exchanging this pawn gives the space for silver climb. If we don't exchange the pawn and, let's say, try to climb the silver normally, you can see that they can actually block us from climbing forward. So if this pawn wasn't here, we would be able to attack. With this pawn here, it becomes an obstacle. So remember, the pawn exchange is really beneficial to you in double static rook games. This is gonna be important for our next lesson next week with our first Joseki line. I will see you there. Bye bye.